Hey, what's going on guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. Here in this video you can learn how you can get the latest version of Plants vs Zombies Fusion on any Android and iPhone device. First thing you have to do is head over to APK mode, go and search for Fusion. You'll find here PVZ Fusion, the latest version, which is currently 3.6. This works with iPhone, iOS and Android devices. It is the English version. Modify, you'll see here iOS Android port, and just go ahead and start the download process. Once it finishes downloading, you will see this configuration of profile here appearing. Just simply press allow. Then what you have to do next is head over to settings and then either go to VPN and device management, or here at the first page here that's on settings, you'll see this profile downloaded. Press on it and now you'll see PVZ Fusion 3.6. Once you confirm that, go ahead and complete the installation. Now when you go back to the home screen, so it should be towards the end, usually the last app that has been installed. When you launch it the first time, it might ask to update all the data files to the latest version before you can start playing. Now if you are on Android device, I know this tutorial was focused on iPhone, but on Android is much simpler. You go to APK mode, go, and you simply install the APK file. So let's go ahead and open it now. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them down below and I'll try to respond to each one of you. Enjoy guys, and cheers.